me driving right now on a Holley external 12 volt fuel pump. My fuel pump went out on the dump truck, and my mechanic had a 12 volt external electric fuel pump. We put a hose in the tank and hooked it up to the fuel line, primed it, and I can't go above 2,000 RPM or it starves for fuel. It can't keep up with the fuel demand, but I'm going 40 miles an hour right now, 5th gear, and keeping her about 1,500 RPM, and it's doing all right. This is saving me a $400 tow bill, so gotta get a new, probably a reman fuel pump for this thing. This is the Caterpillar 3126B. It's got 95,000 miles on it now. I bought it with 75,000 miles on it. So this is the ground, even though it's red. This was the power. Brought it off of this hot wire here, and little Holley 12 volt pump with a 1/2 inch rubber hose. Put the connector on it to hook up to the fuel line, and the other hose in the fuel tank.